In this video, I will show you how to recover hacked Steam account. Now, before we start, make sure to watch until the end. This is very important because I'm gonna show you two different ways to recover your account. So the first one, which is the easiest one, is to simply open Steam on your computer and then simply click on Help, I can't sign in. So this is the easiest way. Now this works only if you have access to your email or phone number. So as you can see, you're gonna have to select my Steam account was stolen, and then here you're gonna have to scroll down again and then simply click on reset my password, and then you're gonna have to enter your email address or phone number and then simply click on search, and after you find your account you're gonna be able to reset the password and get access. Now this works only if you have access to this information, so the email address or phone number. Now if you don't have access to those, what you're gonna have to do is simply open a browser and then simply go to Steam on your browser. Then you're gonna have to create a new account. So as you can see, I have this account here, and then scroll down and then simply click on support, and then scroll down again and then click on my account, and then you're gonna have to click on Steam Guard, and then here you're gonna have to select contact Steam support. And now as you can see, you have this option to contact the Steam support team. Now before you enter anything here, you're gonna have to understand two things. So you're gonna have to provide proof of account ownership, as you can see here. So if you're trying to recover a stolen or hijacked Steam account, as you can see, when contacting Steam support, try to provide as much of the following as possible. So the first one is to provide proof of account ownership, any possible Steam account login names, any possible email addresses used on the account. Now, when you go here to this link, it's going to explain to you what they mean by providing proof of ownership. So if you used your credit card to buy games from Steam, you can enter some information. So as you can see, the card type, Visa, MasterCard, the name registered to your credit card, the billing address, the last four digits of the credit card number. Now, if you use bank transfers, as you can see here, you have PayPal and you have PaySafe card. So you have other options. And then here you can also provide account ownership proof. As you can see, if you use CDKs, Steam wallet codes, or other options. So basically, if you can provide these informations here, you're gonna get your account back 100%. So after you enter here all the information of your account, and you can also upload photos, simply click on send, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.